All right, here's our layout for the kitchen. I have drawer stack here, and this is a flush inset cabinet, flush inset. These are Euro flush inset. The rest of these are Euro or a frameless construction style. And we have a 3/4 inch piece in between each cabinet. As we can see here, your sink cab, dishwasher, sink is centered on the window. And looking at them in elevation view, flush inset, this is all walnut. Grain is vertical. Grain here would be horizontal for these drawers. Horizontal, vertical grain, vertical grain. Roll out here. See if we can find a wire basket to fit inside here. This is the width, and the height of this opening would be about 6 or 7 inches. If we look at this drawer, the inside height of that drawer is 6 13/16. These open up. This is the coffee cabinet. On the inside. A shelf in here. This door opens up on the right. A rollout at the bottom of this cabinet. This leg comes to the floor. This piece comes to the floor, comes to the floor. Everywhere there's a D, there's a 3/4 inch wide panel that will come and terminate on the floor. Drawer stack, and this is a deep drawer. Your dishwasher, sink, appliance lift, another deep drawer, and just a standard cabinet here. Grain would be horizontal on these drawers. This drawer stack here, typically it's horizontal, and then the doors is vertical. Here would be horizontal. All right, let me know what you think of this. Thanks.